Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jo and today I would like to share with you 4 free online sewing tutorials for complete beginners. Now this is a follow-up to my previous video on the 5 amazing free online courses for beginners, and that is my most popular video on my channel, so I figured I should do a follow-up. So if you haven't seen that video, please check it out. I'll place a link to it in the description and it will be above in the cards. The first free online sewing class is crazylittleprojects.com. This is a beginner's guide to sewing, everything you need to know about sewing. You will learn how to use your sewing machine, understanding sewing terms, how to buy fabric, what sewing supplies you will need, how to sew a straight line, zigzag stitching, turning and top stitching, adding elastic, how to sew ruffles, and so much more. I will place a link to this in the description so you can check it out. Our next website is called tillyandthebuttons.com, and here you will find, this is a wonderful resource with a lot of information on sewing, garment sewing to be exact. This will also be linked in the description. This is a step-by-step sewing guide for dressmaking. So you will learn how to sewing, choosing a sewing machine, how to thread your sewing machine, how to set up your sewing machine, learn to sew a skirt, make your own dress, different easy projects for beginners, how to sew your own shirts, jersey, how to work with knit fabrics, top stitching. Please check this out. It's called tillyandthebuttons.com. And the next free online course is by mellysews.com. Sign up to get your free sewing courses emailed to you. So just sign up with your emails. She also has a YouTube channel, so you can check her out there as well. Final website is called newtoncustominteriors.com. This is mostly for home decor sewing, so if you're into sewing for your home, then this is where you will check out. So you'll have all the information you need on sewing, draperies, valances, pillows, beddings, blinds, sheet shades, how to make fabric patterns, how to insert zippers in a pillow, like wonderful stuff. This is just great. So check out this, newtoncustominteriors.com. I will also link to this in the description. So this is just a quick video to give you some more information on free sewing classes. If this was helpful to you, give the video a like, and you can also subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my follow-up videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.